Hi everyone, welcome to Techies Hobbies. So in today's video, I'm reviewing a watch case from Amazon. It's a travel watch case from the brand Styleys. It is available on Amazon India website. So this is a 12 watches travel case, and it cost only 1599. So this I think is a very affordable option. So I will tell you why I went for this. I have other watch boxes, so I was running out of space and I checked out all the options around, and finally I thought I will go for this. So the reason one is, the watch boxes that come in with glass or with this sort of opening is not very user friendly, or it tends, you cannot travel with that, and the watches move around in that. So this particular watch box is, firstly, it comes with a zipper, so it's very easy to close and open. So why I know about this is I have a similar one, a smaller watch box that has this zipper, but it's not in this format where I just place the watches. It has to lie down in that case. So that one is wait, I'll show you that. All right, yeah, sorry about that. So I had this from Germany, and I have been using it as my travel watch box. So this is the zipper. I like that concept of the zipper because it's very convenient. And but the problem with this is the watches have to lie down, so not all watches can be kept in this. Like, for example, G-Shock, which does not bend, cannot be kept in this. And it has only 4 slots, and it is tough to put more watches. So you have to stuff it in, or like, it's not a very ideal case of using it as a travel. But I used it a lot. I like this opening, the zipper concept, and that's the reason why I went for this new case. Right, keeping this aside, so yeah, that's the first reason why I went for this. So, and it is quite compact, considering that it can hold 12 watches. Right, and the next one is this cushioning, which has a sort of a lock. See, you can see that here there is a lock for this cushioning, so that makes this not move around. See, once I lock it in, it is not that, like, a mobile, wherein, see, you cannot take it out that quickly. You have to, like, little bend and try to take it out. So that makes the watch stay, especially if you're traveling in the watch boxes with soft cushions. They just keep jumping around. Unless, so what I used to do was I used to put in a microfiber cloth and try to make it air tight so that it doesn't move around. But for this, I don't think that is also needed. And space wise, it is pretty decent. As you can see, this Invicta is a 47 mm, and this is a G-Shock, which is also pretty big. Not as big as normal G-Shock, but it is pretty big. And the Seiko as well is quite big. So Seiko Samurai, the calculator, all fits pretty well with this. So I'm going to do a review on this and this, so I'm going to keep that a suspense. So overall, I am pretty satisfied, and the main factor here is the value for money. It only costs 1599. I don't think there are other watch boxes with this quality available in the market for this price. So I hope you guys like the video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.